Hey there, students. We all know the college life drill. Juggling classes, textbooks, assignments, and maybe even a part-time job to keep things rolling. It's a whirlwind, and sometimes navigating all these demands can feel overwhelming. But here's the thing, you don't have to go it alone. That's where student services come in, a treasure trove of resources designed to support you and empower you to succeed, not just academically, but personally as well. The thing is, student services often get overshadowed by the mountain of textbooks and class schedules. But trust us, there are some hidden gems in there waiting to be discovered. Let's crack open this treasure chest and see what awaits you. Mental health and wellness. College can be stressful. Student services often have workshops on managing stress, anxiety, or time management. There might even be support groups or mindfulness activities to help you recharge and refocus. Career development. Don't wait until graduation to start thinking about your future career. Student services can connect you with career fairs, resume writing workshops, or even mock interview programs to help you polish your professional skills and stand out to employers. Financial aid resources. Adulting 101. Finances can be tricky. Student services can be your saving grace. They might offer workshops on budgeting, scholarship opportunities, or financial literacy programs to help you navigate the financial aspects of college life. Disability services. If you have a learning disability, physical limitation, or any other condition that might impact your studies, know that you're not alone. Student services can connect you with the support you need, like extended time on exams or alternative testing formats, to ensure you have a fair shot at success. Campus clubs and activities. College isn't all about hitting the books. It's about exploring your interests and finding your community. Student services can help you connect with all sorts of clubs and activities, from academic societies to volunteering projects to intramural sports teams. There's something for everyone. Tutoring and supplemental instruction. Sometimes you just need a little extra help understanding a tough concept. Student services often offer free tutoring sessions or peer-led study groups where you can connect with classmates, ask questions, and solidify your understanding of the material. These are just a few of the hidden gems waiting for you in Ajmaniify. Remember, our goal is to see you succeed. So, don't hesitate to visit our website to explore everything we have to offer. Many services even offer free consultations or personalized plans to help you navigate the resources most relevant to your needs. Take advantage of these hidden gems and watch yourself transform into a well-rounded, successful student.